How to save money with low income. Easy steps. Some people from low-income backgrounds might write off saving as an activity for richer people. Even so, it is still possible to accumulate funds within that tax bracket. It all depends on the strategies you apply. It all depends on how smart you are. In this video, we show you how to save money with a low income. It's way more attainable than you might think. Saving is one of the smartest financial habits anyone within any tax bracket can take up. However, it is more important for people within low-income tax brackets. When people in this category are confronted by this truth by financial experts, they usually push back by saying they don't even have enough money to save since they're spending it all trying to survive. And this is 100% a fair criticism of the strategy. However, without saving money, how do people in low-income backgrounds expect to rise above and beyond their financial predicament? Do they intend on living paycheck to paycheck forever? Of course not. Saving is a key strategy by which people within low-income tax brackets can aspire to new heights. There's no denying that it can be incredibly hard, but then it isn't impossible. The key thing is to change your mentality. Get it into your head that whatever extra hardships you face now as a result of your financial discipline will pay dividends later on. And so, how exactly do you save money with low income? There are more than a few key strategies. Ahead, we break these strategies down one by one and discuss them in detail. Pick and choose what could work best for you and try it out. For one, you need to set realistic financial goals. The key word here is realistic. People already have a hard enough time setting any sort of financial goals in the first place. Then, when they finally do it, they make the goals so unrealistic that it discourages them. When setting goals, you need to accept the reality of your financial situation. Make sure your goals are attainable. Make sure whatever budget you come up with can realistically draw you closer to these goals. And make sure you set a realistic deadline. You wouldn't want to rest on your laurels simply because there's no pressure on you. And this brings us to our next point on how to save money with low income. You need to have a very rigorous budget. Your budget needs to account for every single source of income and every single expenditure. You really need to be hard on yourself here. Otherwise, things might not work out. By drawing a budget, you will see all the things you keep up with that don't serve you in any capacity. You can cut down on expenses that are extraneous. You may be giving up these luxuries for the time being, but provided your savings project is successful, you will have the means to indulge in as many luxuries as you want. Another tip is to take as much advantage of coupons, vouchers, discount codes, cashback, promotions, and sales as possible. You might feel cheap doing so, but keep your eye on the bigger picture. Doing these things in no way makes you cheap. Rather, it makes you smart. In all honesty, more people should go about navigating their financial lives with these sales and promotions at the forefront. In fact, certain businesses have arisen which alert people of when things they want go on sale. And so, as someone with a low income who is looking to save money, you need to take advantage of these things. If you have the means, you might want to start a side hustle. It's possible for you to make meaningful money from such an avenue. You just need to be willing to put in the work. You might think you have no special hobbies or skills. Well, the number of rich people who have no special hobbies or skills would blow your mind. Those people get where they are because they are geniuses of hard work. By putting in the work to pick up any side hustle at all, you can begin to rise out of your financial situation. Taking care of your health is another underrated tip that you don't often hear in relation to situations like this. Nonetheless, it is essential. There are two key reasons why. For one, you need to remain in peak physical condition if you're going to be able to keep working on making money. This doesn't mean to work yourself into an early grave. It means rest when you need to, eat well, and exercise. The second reason you might want to take care of your health is that the costs of healthcare might cause financial devastation to you if you happen to fall sick. People with low income just can't afford to be taking regular trips to the emergency room. It's quite unfortunate that healthcare is as expensive as it is. And while it might change in the future, for the time being, you need to play it as safe with your health as possible. So, when it comes right down to it, low-income earners who want to save money need to have a plan and need to be disciplined about that plan. It will be hard, sure, but in time, you will triumph. There's also another silver lining. The person who you will become by sticking to these tips will be well equipped to attract bigger and better money-making opportunities once those possibilities are unlocked for you. Coming to the end of this video, we hope you've learned some key strategies to save money with low income. Though it's a hard task, it isn't impossible, and these tips will definitely help you out. To learn more, please check out other videos on this channel. We have a large catalog of videos that you can use to broaden your understanding of these concepts. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy the video. Until next time, have a good day. Catch you later.